As I said, Steve, I'm not familiar with their laws. Neither do I want to be. But if you mean beheading or stoning, I'm in full agreement. Yet, sadly, we no longer have the luxury of capital punishment anymore. I hope they suffer for their crimes. My God, if I had the power, I'd burn their bloody house down. Of course, this is just an opinion. The days of hanging are long gone, but I'd sure love it if they bring them back. Next caller, please.
The point I'm trying to make is the lie you like to weave and profit from.
Just an opinion, Holmes.
You say what the people want to hear.
You get a roof over your head and a trip to Neverland. So cough up your shrapnel, or you can fuck off.
He's practically ball and chained, Rye. On her last legs. There's plenty there.
No, you got plenty there, Stelz.
Yeah, sneakily amusing yourself.
Why don't you sit this one out instead? Since your habit is fully fucking quenched.
Blame myself enough for this.
Please, Stealth.
I've suffered the daily dance, done unspeakable, unforgivable things.
I'm on my fucking knees
I've
here.
earned my place.
One of you stingy motherfuckers! I'll do anything!
Anything?
Fucking anything!
Maybe she is our kind of brass. Why don't you sacrifice a threads? Mince around the gaff in the buff.
It'd be easier than lugging that thing down Piss Alley.
Sacrificing potential winnings for a stupid bit is cause for questioning, but it doesn't exactly cement anything.
I'm sorry, how does it not? That's the shadiest thing we've heard so far.
Because I literally just said I don't do it anymore.
All right, everyone. This is getting a bit too heated. Why don't we all take our money back and go home?
I second this.
That said, like someone who doesn't want to get caught cheating.
If admitting guilt is the fastest way this is gonna end, then fine. I cheated. There's an excessive amount of pockets for hiding cards in this blazer. Now I think it's only fair.
Oh, shit!
Put the gun down, Orlando.